come no further.
Why you hiding this girl? Me not understand.
Where my money there?
Me not have 500.
Where my money there? Where my money there?
We offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen. Guess what? You can get to meet some of your favorite actors and actresses at your event. If you never knew, now you know. Pick up the phone and call us today to book your special event.
Welcome back to everybody. I know it's been a long time since you guys haven't gotten any movies, but you don't know we're back in full force. Watch the video to the end so we can talk to you about all that has been happening right throughout the storm until now. We're back. So do the right thing.
Well, big bro.
So you smell some way here.
I mean, I smell when I'm here. Big am money, you know?
You know there's something wrong, you know?
What?
You know there's something wrong. But now I'm money still. I'm paying me there wait pon. I just put up on my phone and check my account.
Well, I not really that my combo stills. But this combo for Thursday, me I go down a Genius go deal with something.
So why are you going to Genius?
Figure make you deal with something for me.
So how much time I want about Genius? How many time I want you about Genius?
Bro, nothing wrong with him, man.
What do you mean nothing wrong with him? Genius is a thief and scammer.
But he not thief from me, though. Listen.
Can't say me ain't talk to you, know.
Listen.
All this pitney always feel.
Listen to me. Me no pitney. I mean, know me I do.
Okay, miss.
No. Tell her what I could do now.
Mm.
You know, I can't get to work from Wadia and it hard. Maybe not struggle.
Yeah, me understand.
So, you know me not have no resume, me not have no work experience, me not have no qualification. Me not have none at all. For sure, so me qualify.
Mm-hmm.
So, I was thinking about going to a Genius, come making create one fake resume for me.
So hold on, you think we could do it?
You could have do it?
Mm.
No, sir. Mm-mm.
You don't feel like you're a genius in our business?
Listen to me. Me a pay a Genius to do something the right way. I mean, know you go do it the right way.
Alright, do what you want to do.
So, you tip me for do it or not?
Do what you want to do.
Okay, fine. Come me know me I do, you know. And me know say, with that resume there what Genius I make for me, me know say me have to get to work.
Mm-hmm.
And you know which work me I plan to get to?
How can I work?
One babysitting work.
You ain't like pitney?
Listen to me, I just the money me want, and you know that.
You ain't pitney? I don't think it's gonna work for you. I swear to you.
Well,
I don't think it's gonna work.
well, me know it I go work.
And you don't like pitney? Oh, yeah, oh, that happen. Oh, that gonna work.
How it go work? As long as me put in the effort and do what me fi do, even though me not like you look pitney them, cause they little and just nasty and just get trouble.
How you play that baby?
Go, go, gaga.
Go go gaga, go go gaga.
Listen to me. Me not laughing.
I love my feel like a sweat.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Me I go do this. And anybody me I work for, have to pay me for hours when me I work.
Okay.
Anyways, me I go down there right now. Where you saying that? You mean to come on here for me?
Me not just tell some pay me a wait pon. It's a stubborn.
You know? Alright.
Mind
Later.
your business.
Bye.
Who can you go feel, man?
One genius.
Eve.
Allow me to talk to you. I'm with your computer.
Eve, money the right as a hold on it. What going on?
Come for ask if you do one favor for me.
I don't know if me have no favor left, you know, but all on.
What do you mean I have nothing left? Money me I pay you?
Price
Anyways,
gone up.
price gone up. Listen to me. What more if you do for me is when you create what vehicles in me for me.
Okay. Easy thing that. What kind of job?
One babysitting job.
Alright.
Think you can do that?
The money easy thing that man. So we want 2,000.
2,000. Alright, it's affordable. Make sure you make it good do you know. Want to look realistic.
Yeah man. Me never miss it man. I thought about that. My thing is you know.
Alright. Make sure you know. That's how I'm come to you about.
Stop winding up yourself not Eve man. I'm telling you man.
Let's make sure you make it something for me. Later.
Yeah man, you can't check me work.
Good morning again. How are you?
I'm doing fine.
That's good. The name on the file is Angie. That's what you go by?
That's right.
Okay, well, as you know, I am Miss Francis. They can call me that.
Okay, Miss Francis.
Alright, so how do you like babysitting? What was your experience so far?
My experience so far is good. I'm good with kids. Kids love me. And yeah, not much, just that's a good experience so far.
Okay, what age group you normally work with?
I normally work with the around 5 and up.
Okay, well, my daughter is 4. That's okay.
That is totally fine.
Alright, well, as it relates to my daughter, she's not here right now, but her name is Z. She goes by Z. Call her Z. She'll answer.
Okay.
Right? She's not really a rude child, you know. Kids have them time. But besides that, she's obedient. She listens. She's kind of picky eater, so that might be an issue for you. But I think you'll make your way around it just fine, because she eats the stuff that is here.
Okay.
Right? On the form I filled out for your agency, I asked for a living nanny. Are you aware?
Yes, I'm aware.
Right, so you'll be living here most of the time because I need help most of the time, right? Because majority of the time I'm on the road because I be busy sometimes. Yes. Okay, so are you aware of the pay?
No, I am not. How much is it?
I heard that you guys take like 15 and so I decided to add a little more. So I'm going to give you 2.5 a day. Hope that helps. Okay. You don't have to start today. You can start tomorrow because I see that you didn't bring anything.
No.
Right. So you can come back tomorrow and we start fresh, and they will be here tomorrow. So yeah, looking forward to working with you, Miss
too, Miss-
Angie.
Yes.
All
Miss
right.
Angie.
Nice to meet you.
You too. All right.
Okay.
Take care.
You too.
Why genius? I just want to say to you, say, thanks for the resume.
You're welcome man, I mean. At least that you know.
It come up good.
Mm.
But here what now? We get the job and thing, you know. But it pay no enough.
Yeah. I say go and just start work man, isn't me?
Just start work.
Yeah. You have to build up the things that people can build up trust and
If
everything.
me
you know.
now work 24 hours, me not get enough pay.
You have to work. You have to
But
do your
that
work.
woman that said it depends on the hours them when me work. Listen to me. Listen to me. Me is a girl when me not like pitney, you know.
You don't like it.
No.
So you take care of it.
Listen to me. I'm only me I look sorry. You have to ask me that. What I'm saying is, me not like it pitney dirty. They dirty and they nasty. Moreover, me don't even like pork neither.
So what you want? What you want? You don't want one new work. You still have to take care of it and then you still have complain. What you gonna do?
What me gonna do?
Yeah, what you
I
gonna do?
tell her what me want to do. My plan is, me want to take pitney and sell him. I want girl.
Hey, that's
I
not
want
what oh, where's all of
Me want sell the pitney.
Father
So
God.
you think that's a good idea, genius?
You good?
Me 100% good. And me know what me I do. So, you know feel it's a good idea?
No, tap it. You hear yourself?
Me I hear myself alone and care.
Sell people pitney.
Yes, me want make a good food off fire. I want a little girl pitney. It would be easier to sell her. Think on the big one money
No,
we gonna make.
stop. Me no want hear no more.
What you mean you don't want to hear no more?
No. Me think that it want a resume or sitting there.
Me no want work. Me tell us already say me no want work. Me no want work none tall.
So you gonna tell me for?
Genius.
Hey, me no want get involved in nothing at all. Nothing. I'm gonna advise you,
Advise me what?
take that out of your brain.
Me not take it to my brain. Me I go do it. Me not make a good food off fire pitney.
Prison are nice, you know?
I want to make you have to go this now.
So what you think of that? You bastard, no sir. Why? Eve, what you think long and hard about this thing? Me tell you, what you think long and hard, you know? Cause me don't know where you get this a brilliant idea from.
You're damn right, it's brilliant.
If you don't like the work, leave the work. Here? But leave the people and pitney alone. You we got prison. This don't look good for you, you know? You hear me say?
Listen to me. Me go sell the fitting. And you not go stop me from selling.
No. You never come here today and I never talk to you. Later,
You alright, you know. You alright.
have a good day, please.
Mommy, this one get good.
It's here.
Hello.
Where you come from?
Just up in the road, go run 2 errands, go pick up some personal stuff, you know.
And this one.
Yeah, but bear in mind that you have work and you didn't let me know and I wanted to go somewhere and I'm here waiting for you all long. And you not pick up the calls. Relax, Zay. I am talking.
My apologies.
Alright, me go run out because me forgot to catch your bank for deposit some money. Me paid already, so let's give her something to eat. Alright?
Okay, no problem. Listen to me. Alright. Anyways, me need you to do something for me.
What?
Me need to come up with my work.
You mean come here work? You even if you can't come now and work today,
Adam, it's urgent. Just tell the people say, yeah, you know, I have an hour or so, please.
I'm soon come.
Alright, quick.
Don't quickly.
Give me the mail. I don't know where I'm going to get money for. I'd rather just stick in a play with it. Money is dirty. Do you hear me? Make sure.
problem now, sis?
Why take so long to come? Look how long it take to come, man.
Me not say I work, me I work.
Me no business. Me tell you if you jump where you do and come immediately.
What you say? Talk fast.
Anyways, me have a plan with the little girl here.
How about little girl?
I want to take her and hold her ransom.
What kind of story that? Me a do me honest work, you know? And you want to put me in this a problem, eh? And you do feel honest work, too?
Adam, me I got
No, me
tea
not
for.
depend on
What
that.
you mean in this?
Me not depend on that.
Listen to me. Is either you work with me or not, you know? I want tea for her. A little money I want, you know? So you do this to me or not?
But me I do feel me honest word and you do feel honest word. You work and I get money. What more money you want, so?
You know enough.
You feel very satisfied, man.
Listen to me. You can argue with me about this or you can work with me.
You don't really want to do this till, man.
I come round there now, you know? I'm in truck, man, and not argue with me. Come, go on up in that truck.
Don't tell mommy, yeah? Don't tell
Come
mommy.
on, hurry up. Me no want him to come back.
Angie? Angie? Hello? Oh, I'm reach home. Where you there?
I'm up on the road. What happened?
What do you mean you're up on the road? What happened? You have my baby and me I tell us I'm reach home, so bring her home.
Listen to me. Listen to me. You know what you do for me? Then, I have a pitney. But you now go get her, because I have her hostage right now. And you can't go get her unless you give me 500k in cash.
Girl, bring on my baby because me not.
No. It don't work so. It don't work so. Me need 500k in cash, and if I can't give that to me, you're not going to get your pitney.
Angie, what do you mean by me to get $500,000? Eh?
And that me say is either it's either. And if they ever call the police, it gonna be much worse for you. You hear me?
Slow down. So, you say you kidnapped my daughter?
And do something about it. I have your daughter develop, not your door. You have your hand cash in hand, they never get a penny.
What am I supposed to get $500,000 from?
Me not know about a bank or something, but I don't care. I need my money. So if I can't get my money, you know, get a daughter. Simple. And if I ever, like I said, if you ever involve no police in this,
So if I get the money, how you gonna get it?
they'll give you the direction. You want to do want to meet me, but not cool it too. I want to win every single dime can give me. I did up 500k that.
Coolitown is a big place in which part of a Coolitown?
When I reach a Coolitown, I go see me.
What the baby? Wait, let me talk to the baby.
No. You're not going to talk to her. When I come home and Coolitown, then I can talk to her.
Alright, give me some time I'm work on the money.
Make sure send no police and show up.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay, I'm call Uncle. Uncle Basso, them take on my daughter.
Wait here, talk to me. Start over. Start over. What happened?
So me have one babysitter at the house and I left and I go up on the road and I come back. I not see them, but I want regular thing for she carry is if you walk, right? So I not think nothing of it. Me dead and me a wait, she not come. Me call her the girl like I make me know say I kidnap the baby. She want $500,000.
So hold on. Who is this babysitter? Who? Where she come from? Who is this babysitter?
Uncle Vasuma, me not even know where girl come from.
Where you say what? What do you mean where you know where the girl come from? I don't understand you.
Because me hire through one agency, then I really give a lot of information like that. And I do like,
No, but
you really need somebody who can stay with the
Christ.
baby.
Look here. Are you right for no one have a background check? You can't. That is total carelessness. Look what happened now. Eh? My grandniece? No, man. I tell me, man. What kind of foolishness you tell me, say?
Because I don't know. I don't know if it tell her, say. I don't know where the girl come from. I only know her name. The girl, I can't do this, you know. She said she want $500,000. I don't have no money. I don't have no money. I just want buy my baby, Uncle Max.
Look here. 500. I will not give them $1. Come, we are going back.
I can't go with the uncle. She said I'm not carrying no police.
Look here. Come with me.
I'm not carrying no police.
Come on, we want to sort out this. But sit down and cry now, go help nothing. Get up, come. Come, you work it out. We can't waste no time. Come in our butt. Come.
You don't feel like this right, you know? You don't feel like this right.
What you mean?
What do you want these people in picnic for?
A 500K me I get for this a picnic. You know wanna right?
You don't want it.
You where is this money?
Honestly, no want none. Cause prison work no nice, sir. Prison work no nice.
Brother, I covered your code or something?
Still cold.
Yeah, my big brother supposed to in this with me. What you mean?
They call them all long now. What's for them so long? I just feel like them with police, I feel
Come
like
with which police? Listen to me. The girl, me tell the girl to say, enough it make no police show behind him come here, sorry, to go worse for him.
sorry, no sis. I'm never going left you. Cause I don't want to go to prison. Never go left you. It's so sad.
True.
Never go left you. But not to the truth. I not do this.
You know say the work, me not like work with them and certain things. What you mean you not want to do this with me?
I'm still a fool. I'm still a fool. I live long.
Pin it on one place. Where, you know what, go on by your business if I don't want this. Go on by your business.
Just make sure say the money pay a lawyer bill when police will come. I know she'll call police.
Oh, okay. Bye. Oh, what is that girl that day?
Brother, you know, so me just get the new bike here, but then put anything backwards, brother. I tired of put on good dog. You man can't carry over there.
Yo, no move. Police. Then?
What is that, sir?
Come on, fight bicycle. You come here, sir. Me ask you, sir.
What, sir?
Come here, sir, Virgin. Come sit down and ask a question. You come out. Look here, man. I'm going to make a lady ask you a couple questions and make sure you answer. You hear me?
You know one brown coolie girl on your name Angie?
No, mister, no, sir. Enough for the people on it.
You don't know the Angie out.
Show them a picture of me. Send them by your phone.
You know that woman out. Yo, call up on this.
Yes, sir.
Yo, no, tell me no lie, you know.
No, sir, no lie.
Look at no ramping thing, you know, you. And me come back phone, you know.
Sir, yes, sir,
Are you sure? And I see this pan when you sit on the phone.
Yes, sir, Eve.
Eve's your name?
Eve Gilbert.
So, Eve Gilbert?
Yes, sir.
So you know, I definitely know say I see this.
Yes, sir.
All right. Want to see me tonight, you know, no good enough. Make sure. No, go on. Go on down the yard right now.
Shut up. Boy, you want your mother. Yes, your mother come for you, but listen to me. She have to go hand me some money to get her. If she don't do it, she not get a non-tag. You not get to see her. So it makes sense you tapping nice. Don't come no further. Don't come no further.
Why you do this, girl? I don't understand.
Where my money there?
I don't have 500,000.
Where my money there? Where my money there?
Girl, I really don't have 500,000. Just give me my
Where you
baby.
say? Where you say? What take us so long to come with money?
What am I supposed to get $500,000 from?
Me tell us how you go rob a bank or something, but you can't get a penny unless I get my money. No, it not gonna work so. What take you so long to come with it?
Just make my usher. Just make it work for him.
What you mean? Who want my money?
Do the maths. Gun, knife, drop it.
You really
Do the
coming
maths.
police?
Drop it.
You really coming police?
Drop the knife. Go with it. You can't take gunshot. You come like say down a sense. See the sword in my hand. Drop it. You come like it's a mad man. Stay right there, sir. Go sit down over there, sir.
Your dog
Come
tell
like
me
a sit mad. Come here.
Let me
Go over there, sir. Go sit down. What a little grass quit through. Finally sitting. Look at the little pretty girl. Look how you stay. Eh?
Don't watch
And
my
little
prettiness.
girl.
Do not watch me
Oh,
put
so
this.
you
I
must
do
watch
not
it.
understand
Anyway.
me.
Yeah, hear me?
You really
here.
coming police?
Look here. You're no more bigger than a toothpick. You are the kidnapping and extort and stuff. Look at you little.
So leg off my hand. Leg off my hand.
You come like you're mad. Eh? Get up. Get up, man. Put your hand behind. Get up.
Let me go.
Look here. Let me tell you something. So now the gun here, you know, if you know not to not put it on the house, you know. Go up to some. Move.
Why is this? Look like prison food that treat her good.
Look here, this not funny, you know.
What do you mean this so funny?
Because you run left me. In all of this.
So you don't want me to do? What do
You
you
help
mean
me
you want
to
me to do?
help me. I help you if you help me as my big brother.
I'm not come for an argument, I'm come for look for you and see if you're alright.
Well, come on, come out of this right now.
You soon come on, wear yourself on.
So where you bring? You too long on them? Well, where you bring?
I know I said, I carry something for you, but you left in my car. Just because I think you're really upset with me or something. I run me and I want to see my name carry it.
You darn right me do want to run you. Because I don't know where you run left me in this.
One thing I'm glad to do. You know, search for me, because I was look a bus phone pitney. But tell me something. I'm a genius, make you do this. Because I have a strong mind, you know, so a genius cause this. And me with my either say I go follow you. And you know, so that's what I'm left you too. That's what I'm left you.
Listen to me. I pay a genius to do what I want to do. What you mean I him get me all of this?
All more I do, when I want to make this up again. When I soon come out, but what me I go do? I go interest you get the phone, you put your phone. Make sure you get your breakfast, your lunch, and your dinner. Your big brother I got them, now worry yourself, yeah?
I make sure.
Now worry yourself, man. But I go for something in the future, I can't come back here.
Yeah, man. So what, me could have come for me over there, so?
Just glad to come for you, man. You know, I don't like the jail thing, so I don't come over this, bro. Everything bother you.
But you know over there come out. I know over there come.
So what, man?
What me now? Nothing
I
happen.
just want to tell you, make sure you learn from a mistake, you know. And I'm going to talk more again, you know. Your big brother I want you. Do not make it up again.
Listen to me. At college me I come from, you know.
College you come from, no?
Me bigger and better now since me come out there, so. So let me tell you something now. Me ready for work again. I swear this time when me I work, me not get caught this time, you know. Just know that. Drop me down a genius.
Don't know who?
Genius!
So you're really not learn.
Listen to me, big bro. Drop me down
Me
there.
not drop it down there, you know.
What you mean?
Down a place me I carry go down and see go wash off. The saltless off for you.
Whatever you want to do, whatever you want to do, me find myself up there if you don't want to
But
drop
I
me
feel busy, I know, so if you get in trouble again, me not look for you, you know. I'm not responsible for you again.
down. Me no business not coming on, me not get caught this time.
So you really not learn from your mistake. You really not learn from your mistake.
Listen to me. We learn quite well. Me no business if you want to help me, you know. Me no business if you want to help me.
That's no no,
Or
man.
if you don't want to help me.
You know what I'm saying?
Genius, what one?
Eve.
Genius.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
You learning lesson now?
Learn which lesson? Listen to me, after what happened, me know I me have a bad police record, I'm not gonna be able to get no job this time. I want you. This time me don't want no resume.
Okay, what you need?
I want a fake babysitting agency.
Me just put on my glasses and I take you back again. You want to deal with Pitney again?
Listen to me now. Me not like Pitney, but
You know-
I feel money.
You're not learning up because come like you come back worse.
Oh, me come back much worse.
Eve, what's wrong with you?
Nothing wrong with me.
What? Sitting up here so something not right with you?
I have been better since I was in jail. Now me come back. Now me know say me not get no work. So me want you create a fake babysitting agency for me.
You want to be my assistant?
No. Me know say you not gonna pay me enough to be for your assistant, you know. So me need
But
but
it's a good job. You're going to get your pay, no trouble at all.
how much you pay me for be for your assistant?
Eh? On 2.5 a day.
2.5 each a day. Listen to me, not this time right now. 2.5 can't do me nothing. So here what I want you to do. And my money me I pay you to do it. So you do it or not?
You have your money?
Of course me have my money.
Alright, talk to me then. You have your money.
So I want you now to create a fake babysitting agency for me.
Alright. What else?
Just that you want to
What you want in here?
What I want in him? Me don't know make up some name.
Jesus. Alright. Careless babysitter. Sure.
Wait, what? Where is that when I go?
Then you're not careless.
Listen to me, genius. Don't ramp with me.
Alright. What you say you want in name?
Give me a name like Bright Futures. Bright Future Babysitter. Give me something like that.
But them have baby in a bright future.
Listen to me.
Alright. Bright futures babysitting. Alright. Yeah.
Hi again.
Hello.
Thank you for coming. And what is your name again?
My name is Eve.
Eve?
Yes.
The agency didn't tell you how to dress before you come? This is your first time.
So,
looking
ma'am,
at
what
job
wrong
and
with
you
how me
don't
dress?
You don't know who you're going to meet. First appearance. Last. You're doing an interview to get a job. And that's okay anyway. And you're going to take care of my child. I heard that you take care of a lot more kids. So maybe you're a nice person. I'm not sure about it, but hopefully you are. And this is my daughter. Tell her your name.
My name is Lena.
Look at her and tell her.
My name is Lena Pang.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. Miss Candy, my apologies for how I dress. The thing is that all my clothes are dirty and I washed this morning and them not fully dry yet, so that's why I'm here for just wear this here. So this is the only thing we could have find for wear for the time being. My apologies though.
Remember, this is a living job. So you can bring your clothes tomorrow because you're going to stay here. Okay? All right. And the wages is how much you expecting?
I don't know, it depends on The hours I work.
Okay, well, I pay people according to how they work. You understand? So I'll watch you for a week. I'll give you 8,500 for each week until I know that you are dedicated to your job and you can do it well. I'll raise your pay, right? You agree with that?
Agree.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Alright,
can
so-
I go now?
No, I need to show you around the place.
Okay, then no problem.
I need to show you your room where you're going to stay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh shit. All right, Eve. As you can see, I'm on my way out to work. All right, and anything Layla want to eat, you can give it to her. We have a hot dog in the fridge, popsicle, anything. Everything is inside of the fridge. Whatever she want to eat, you can give it to her. All kind of stuff up there. So make sure say she bathe on time. You understand? Make sure you have her bath on time, and give her something to eat whenever time she asks you. Okay, now make she stay hungry. I mean, I want to come back and see her in no dirty clothes, and you can, kind of tidy the place. Anyway, she nasty. If you can just clean up the back. If me have to give you extra money, that's okay. Yeah? If you need something to eat, you can have something to eat. You understand?
Alright.
All right, kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. All right, later.
Don't eat up my food when my mama left.
We'll see about that.
Can I have one of the popsicle, please?
No.
I'm gonna tell my mommy and you.
Go ahead.
Layla,
Yeah,
how are you?
I'm fine.
You okay?
Yeah,
Um.
I'm fine.
Where is Eve?
She must go with her boyfriend.
Oh. Anyway. You have your shower?
No,
Why?
because she never bathed me.
Oh. Okay. All right. You hungry?
Yeah.
Did she give you something to eat?
No,
She did not.
no.
So, from I left until now, you haven't eaten anything.
No.
Oh my God. So you're hungry?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to give you something to eat. Eat here, Mama?
Yeah.
Right. Eve! Where she is?
In the room.
You just told me that maybe she gone with her boyfriend.
I didn't know where she is.
Oh, you don't know where she is?
Yeah.
So you're just making up something or you're lying or something? What?
She's in the room sleeping.
She's in the room sleeping?
Yeah.
Okay. Mommy teach you all the time not to say stuff that you don't know, okay?
Okay.
All right, she's in the room. I'm going to call her. I need to talk to you. Come right here, so. Right here, so. How long since you start work with me?
Since today.
On your first day, you think you put out your best effort to work up to your best ability to hold this job until 3-4 months time?
So what did I do wrong now, Miss Candy?
Oh, you don't know what you have done? Okay, listen. My daughter is just 5 years old. What me just say? 5 years old. and you leave her on her own in the living room with the door wide open?
Me leave her, Miss Candy?
Number 3.
I left the door closed. Now your daughter open it.
All of a sudden, my daughter start to open door.
And she open it.
You was sleeping, and you're telling me that you stay in your sleep and saw my daughter open up the door.
Miss Candy, I have your daughter open the door.
What could I cause this? Listen to me.
Because I leave the door closed.
I have a big problem right here. So right now,
What kind of problem it is?
Like it's not going to solve today.
So what are you trying to say?
Number 3, as I was saying before, you did not give her a bath. Number 4, you don't give her anything at all to eat.
Because I was busy cleaning up.
Cleaning up where?
I was cleaning the bathroom. I was cleaning the rooms. Me there sweep out the place. Me forgot and I just fall asleep. And it's not that I don't bathe her, Miss Candy. It's because water gone from your place.
So water gone?
Yes, from morning.
You have a phone? Eve, you have a phone?
Miss Candy, I never had any credit to call you.
Anyway.
You never tell me you have water problem.
I don't have any water problem.
How is that then?
I don't have water issues at all. I forgot to tell you to turn on the pump, so I'll take that blame.
Well, Miss Candy, okay then. See? You have a pump, you never told me you had a pump.
Don't speak while I'm speaking. I'm not working with you, girl. You're in my place, you're working with me. So you're going to have some manners and respect. This is the way how you treat the rest of kids? Alright. I'll take the water problem blame. Okay? But what about the other rest of stuff that didn't sort out? Because as I came in the house, it looked just the same as I left it. And why didn't you give her something to eat?
I gave her something to eat.
You not give her nothing for
I gave her something to eat. If your daughter told you that she never get anything to eat, she's lying. Because I gave her something to eat.
Not Layla. I am not going to take up for my child, but I know when she's speaking the truth. She did not lie. If she eat, she eat. And if she don't eat, she knew when she don't eat. You understand me? She knows that she not eat nothing. Listen to me. You know what? I don't want to go through all of this with you. I am going to give you the last chance. I'm going to watch you for about 2 to 3 days. And if you're the same, I'm going to have to get somebody else. Final. I don't have anything else to say. You understand me? But make sure next time, if you don't see any water in the pipe, just call me. Let me remind you to turn on the pump. And please, be there next time.
Miss Candy, I clean the place whole day today, but it's the fact that you have a kid. Every time I clean up the place, she dirty it up back. Yes, and normally I don't babysit dirty kids. That I'm not saying your kid is dirty. You know what I mean? When I clean the kids' dirty place, I don't train kids that way. I normally babysit kids that are highly trained, that deal with cleanliness. I am not saying your kid is dirty, but it's the fact that every time I clean, she dirty it up back.
I have nothing to say to you. Because if I follow what you just said to me, it's going to be difficult for you, not for me.
Listen, Miss Candy.
If I need another babysitter, it is easily for me to go again and call the agency and they'll just send it.
Well, I have no problem with that, but all I'm saying is, if I did anything wrong, I am sorry if I did anything wrong.
I know that you're lying, but just leave it like that. Leave it. All I'm asking you to
My apologies, Miss Candy. My apologies. If I did anything wrong, my apologies.
Fine. All I'm asking you to do is clean up the place properly and take care of my daughter. That's what I call you here for. You understand? To work and be a good worker.
No problem.
You understand? All right, fine. Hi. Evening.
Evening.
You alright? Kiss mommy, kiss mommy. Boy, I use the bathroom. May I come?
Can you go to the bath, please?
Go and go through when I been. Miss Candy, I'm gonna run on the road to run just a few errands or so. I'll be back in an hour, okay? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mommy.
Yes, Eve. What?
Yes, I'm gonna come to you if you do something for me again.
Again?
Yes.
What you do again?
Stop rush me.
You ever up to Sydney, no? Why latest? What happened?
Well,
I don't know illegal.
maybe. But that's not the point. I want credit card here, so.
Where you get card from?
No worry about that. Me I pay for this, me do it.
Bank give you card?
No.
Exactly. Where you get card from?
Just stop asking me them questions here. Because whether illegal or legal, you do them something there. You do illegal stuff, so you're supposed to ask me if you're illegal. That's what I thought. Anyways, I want credit card here, so. Now ask me a fool, but more you do something for me. Money the money. And here more if you do for me. I want you take some money and fight. Yes.
You know, say that I come under one cost.
How much so?
I don't know how much money I come and fight.
You can give me 5 grand.
How much I come and fight?
Oh, you ask how much I come and fight?
Yeah.
Listen to me, don't go like you want to come talk higher than me. Come here pay if you do my business. But anyways.
So, you see, that's
But anyways. It depends on how much money. I don't know how much the money. So I'm more if you do more if you hacky, I'm more if you take money if I take any take as much as money when the money I fight. Come on, auntie.
Alright.
You hear me I say? You can do it for me?
Yeah, man.
You ready for me?
Yeah, man. Come in, I care.
Hello?
Hello, yes. Good evening. Yes, my name is Levi Garcia. Calling from the bank here. We see some activities on your account. We see a few activities, some went through and some did not went through, but it looked very suspicious. So we're calling to inform you, asking if you know about these experiments.
No. I had my card with me and I don't make any transaction. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes, I'm hearing you.
Yes. What I was saying is that I had my card with me and I did not make any transaction from about maybe 4 months ago.
Okay, alright, here's one. I'm going to need you to come down by the banks so we can either stop this transaction or close the account that you open. Alright?
Okay, no problem.
What's
You know, you're
this?
going to need to come down here now.
No.
Yes. Thank you.
About that Bob's house.
Hello?
Hi, Eve.
Yes, Miss Candy?
I have to make a run now down by the bank, and I would love for you to come right now to come and stay with the baby until I come back.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Or how far are you?
I'm just right on the road.
Okay, all right. Please come now. I'm waiting.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, good evening. As I was saying before, I have to run down by the bank right now.
The bank?
Yes.
Why, is something happened?
I just need to go and sort out my card.
Your card?
Yes.
What happened to it?
It's okay. Just take care of her until I come back, right?
Okay.
Have a nice day. Bye, baby.
Bye-bye, Bobby.
Okay, sweetheart.
Can they watch Cocomelon on your phone?
No.
I'm going to tell my mommy on you.
Then Nagwan, listen to me, you little girl. You see, next time you tell lie upon me, but home in a baby and get nothing to eat, me and you gonna have it out. You hear me? You hear me?
Yes. Ooh.
Eve, come here. May I make a run go down by the bank, right? Because I have something very important to sort out. I have to leave. The bank called me. It's very important.
But if you don't mind, like, is it something that urgent at the bank? If you don't mind me asking?
Maybe me talk to you about that little more, but I have to hurry right now.
Okay. All right.
We are called.
You're too enough.
Shut up a big fat mouth.
But this girl not easy. Oh, where can you really get it from? Anyways. Come here. Want to come your place immediately. Yes, it's something urgent.
Where you come from? What's so urgent to me?
I'm glad I come. I have some urgent for you for me. Very important. The job now work out for me and the pay is not enough. So I want if you do.
Wait, before you go no further, when you tell her this before, so this a job I need to work for you from the get-go because you don't like picnic.
Listen, just please. Me just do what I have to do. Alright, so what I want if you do, just take what you left for me.
Who you talk to?
You me attack?
You not learn. You last year you got chill for this year, come back and do it again.
Because last time me never do it good.
Alright, at the head where I look with genius. Cause this. But anyway, I'm gonna do it for you now, because I'm sister.
Yes,
I'm gonna
please.
do it for you.
And so when I take her away, I sell my salary now. Sell my salary. You see, after I do that, we need to pretend. Like tie me up. Because I want to look like then come to take with Layla and tie me up.
Alright.
You do this for me or not?
I'm gonna do it for you now. I'm gonna do it for you because what? I'm gonna work with you like you last time. Because I think I'm at the fault. Like, the guy here come back out with you. But, come on.
What happened to you? What happened? What happened to you? Wait a minute. What happened? Layla. What happened to you? What happened to you? Wait, Layla. Where is my child?
Kidnapper. Me no know it. Me no know what they gone with her.
Who kidnapped her?
Me no know what. Somebody take her.
What do you mean somebody take her?
Somebody take her.
Somebody take me back. Jesus Christ, somebody kidnapped me. So you know the person? You know the person?
No, him mask up. Me no know him none at all.
Jesus Christ.
Get it, just untie me. Just very tight.
Hold on. So, Jesus Christ. You don't know which way you go with that sword, so you don't see nothing?
No.
You don't see face not all? So you don't hear your voice?
No.
Me have to go down the station.
Can you wait? Please untie me.
Hold on then. Me have to go down the station.
Untie me, please. Can you please?
No, pull yourself.
Where you being from?
You have to go down the station. Pull yourself.
Yeah, so what can I do for you now?
Leave my daughter with my babysitter and go down on the bank and look about some important stuff. And when me come back, me see my babysitter tie up and my daughter missing.
Hold on. What are you saying to me?
Then kidnap my daughter and my babysitter don't know who kidnapped me. Come like they all did want kill off me. Jesus Christ.
Where's the babysitter?
She like,
Come on, man. Come on.
officer, me leave her down at my house. My babysitter tie up in the couch right now. Me leave her down there.
Hey, apart from she being tied up and stuff, she haven't given any description, male, female, what exactly? I don't understand. What happened?
Not tell me nothing about it.
She just said somebody took your child.
Just say somebody take away my baby and gone with her and she don't know the birds. Me never ask her if a man or a woman. Me no remember. Maybe me did ask her, but me don't know.
So how long ago was this?
About a hour ago, sir. Please, may I beg you, if you can find who kidnapped my daughter, please. Please search and find the person because me need back my daughter. The one daughter me have, she's just 5 years old and she named Layla.
Layla, but you listen. All right, listen. You said the sitter is at the home.
She
All right.
tie up right now because me
All
don't
right.
have no time to pull her now because
All right, me go send a unit out there right now. Ed, hold on, don't move. Stay right there, sir. Give me an address fast.
Red ground.
Red ground? Where in red ground?
Red ground, Negro.
Yeah, but where in red ground?
Alright.
Sorry, just calm down. Think.
You see when you go over the scheme?
In the scheme?
Yes, over the scheme.
Yeah.
Orange and cream apartment. And
Over there. Ed!
downstairs, me live.
All right, you what? Go on with that unit right now. Red ground. Yeah, we know the orange and
Yes,
the new scheme, right?
yes.
All right, the new scheme. Just go over there right now and
Froome Boulevard.
Froome Boulevard. Yeah, just go there. Go there right now. All right.
Hello, Miss Candy.
Hello. Come sit down right here, something I talk to you a little bit. Because right now, the way I'm stressed out, I'm weak. I can't stand up.
So what make you come to my house now, Miss Candy?
Me, I wonder why me not see you from my little daughter missing. From them kidnapper, I don't hear a word from you. You don't even call and ask me if me get back my daughter or how me feel or if no police involved, they try to like go around and look if them find her or whatever. You don't say nothing.
To tell the truth, Miss Candy, after what happened with me too, I've been traumatized. Me lock up in my house from when me no come out none tall. Me been one call you and ask you if you find a daughter or something, but me is so scared and me dey traumatized and everything in a one. right now, when I call me, I first me up out of my house.
Well, the reason why I sit down here so is because the news reporter is coming by my house. Yes. Yes, they're coming here to me.
What do you mean news reporter?
You don't understand?
You go up on news?
Yes. And me need you to go up on it, go give a statement.
Me?
Yes.
No, Miss Candy. No. You see me now, me not like the whole camera thing. Me not want to go up on it. Why me? Why me have to go up on it and make a statement?
Because you are my babysitter and you was the one who in the house with my child when the person came by and kidnapped my daughter. So you can just go in front of the camera and say something.
No, Miss Candy. No. Me not go face the camera if you say nothing right now because I'm sorry, but me can't do it. So Miss Candy, me know you want to go up on the news and all of this, but what if a person them who kidnap Leila? What if they see that now plan to do something to Leila because they gonna speak out?
God forbid. It shall never happen. Me must get back my daughter. God will never allow that to happen.
Miss Candy,
Why you think so negative? Why all of them kind of thoughts there in your brain? What is the problem? You think foolishness
Candy,
right
it's
now.
not my problem. It's just that it happens, It happens.
You make me feel worse.
Okay, I'm very sorry, but it can happen, Miss Candy. What if the people them who kidnap her might do something bad?
It's not going to happen. And it's final.
Miss Candy,
Don't let that come out of your mouth again.
I can't help it. All thing I can hope for Leila come back. But one thing me not going to do, me not go on the news because me not want a person them who kidnap Leila come kill me, do something to me. You have to protect my life too, Me sorry, but me can't help. Me go home now, but me hope I find your daughter, really and truly. Me hope her, but me can't go home now because afraid somebody can kill me because of your daughter. Because me never see nobody, me never see if face of who kidnap your daughter, Me can't tell her who. So me can't make because of you and your daughter, me lost my life. So me I go home. All thing me can do, I pray for you. Alright, Miss Candy, so have a nice day.
Right now, I'm in a desperate situation. Please, guys, my daughter missing, and I don't know where to find her. Please, I'm begging you, if anyone see my daughter out there, the picture is going to out very soon on the screen. You're going to see it all over the place and on the post and everywhere in the town, all over. Please, anywhere you see that face is my child, please report it to the nearest police station. And in case you don't know where a police station is, I can give you my personal number. My number is 0005-313. Please call me. It's very urgent. I miss my daughter. And I don't know where to find her. I'm begging you, please, someone help me. Somebody kidnapped my daughter. And I don't have any other child. Oh, God.
Hello? Anybody there home?
Hello?
Hi, sorry if you just pop up on you like this. But I saw a video with her recently. I'm here in regards to that.
Okay, you are?
I'm Miss Francis.
Okay, I'm Candy Guthrie.
Okay, Miss Candy. So like I said, I saw the video earlier today. It took me a little while to find her because I've been on the scheme trying to find her. Somebody told me that this is your place.
Yes.
So, my babysitter kidnapped my daughter, and it's because my uncle was a police and that saved me. Because I don't know what would happen.
Did you just say your babysitter kidnapped your daughter?
Yes, and it was a very young girl. Like, up to this day, I don't understand why she did anything like this. Do you know what happened to your daughter?
No, I leave her with my babysitter. And when I came back From the bank, I saw my babysitter sitting down in the couch, tied up. Her 2 hands, her 2 feet tied up, and my daughter missing. And she was explaining herself, telling me that somebody came by the house and kidnapped my daughter. So I just leave right away.
So how old is your daughter, Miss Candy?
She's 5.
No man, this sound like them babysitter onto something. Because my daughter was kidnapped by a babysitter. My daughter is around 4 years old, right? And your daughter is 5, not far from each other.
Well, right now, I am in a serious situation. I am so stressed out and I don't think I can cope with this anymore. I'm just wondering if the police then get any information about what happened, because I need back my child. It's my only child.
That is exactly where I came in, because I'm starting to wonder if it's some serial behavior. Like if they're kidnapping babies. Can I see a babysitter?
I don't know where she is.
Do you have any photo?
No photo.
No photo.
But I have her WhatsApp number.
You know, that's the same thing happened to me. I
Can
didn't
show you her
have any
DP.
photo or anything with her. Leave her correct name, I never have either. That your babysitter?
Yes.
Miss Candy, you're in a trouble. You're in a serious trouble. Because she's the same girl where they involved with my daughter. Literally the same girl. So I don't know what you're going to do, but that is something carried to the station. I can follow you to the station.
You sure?
I'm positive. I put my head on the block. She's the same little girl. You hear me tell her, say, I don't understand why such a young girl would do something like that. It's like, I want to look up pattern. I don't understand what them I do.
What you call
Miss
this
Candy,
girl?
me
What's
positive.
your name?
She named Angie. Well, that wasn't her right name, but that me know her as I may tell her say she.
Jesus.
I'm positive say she involved with the daughter.
The same person you are telling me say
Miss
kidnap
Candy,
your
I can't
daughter?
follow you to the station because the information I give you is true and my uncle at police and him will help you.
Alright.
Do not doubt me. Follow me to the station.
Me not doubt you, but me just can't believe. Me not understand because I want young girl this, man, how she get involved in them the kind of evil. God.
Miss Candy, I can't answer none of them questions there, you know. Honestly. By the way, I thought she was in jail. When she come out, how long have you been working with this girl?
Few months ago.
How long?
Maybe about 3 to 4 months.
That not even make no sense. She was not supposed to get bail. She wasn't even supposed to still be in the agency.
Jesus Christ. Anyway, what's your number in case...
Miss Candy, follow me to the station. Today we are going to the station. You don't want back your daughter?
Alright, me coming.
Stop your noise. Shut up your mouth. Listen, before you even start with anything you can tell me, I can't manage spitting no more, you know. I've got too much days with my brother. If you can't even bathe in the same clothes every day. What's she all knocking? Stop your noise.
But just a come from your lady. And you would believe what woman say I go do.
What woman tell say?
The man say I get this pan news, I go pan news, go talk.
I seen him tell me never want to help you out, you know. That's what I know.
Listen.
That's why I take place now. I want to do this, you know.
Listen, I have a plan. We have to go take ourselves before this get worse. How many if you know I say woman
have a plan, your plan of you move for yourself, baby. I'm done with this.
say not help me move with it.
You woman got report it to police or something. I don't like that, brother. I'm not getting a lock up.
No police
Stop
not involved in this. No police not involved with it. All I have to do is just go take ourselves far as possible. Because me never know I say woman they go pan news with this. And you know what's even worse? She come tell me about how me go on TV go make statements.
You should not do it.
Joel, please, we have to go as far as possible.
I'm not getting involved, man.
No move. Don't make me pull this. Stay away there. Virgin, go sit on this.
I know where you take, man.
Don't move.
Boss, I know where you
Boss, man, you don't want me to use this, don't it? Go sit down, man. We don't have to use this today.
Of course, you can't say from help or do something to us.
Just sit down for me. Sit down. You stay right there, sir. Don't move. You can't find the next profession. What's wrong with you?
What wrong with me? What you do me?
Little girl, come here. Don't worry yourself, man. You can't back to your parents. You sit down right here, son. Yep, sit down there, son.
Tell us, you don't do this, we did tell you, and you don't listen. You say get yourself in trouble again?
Stop one like in a hit. Stop take yourself out of it.
I believe her, officer.
No.
Man, listen
Officer, I believe her.
That the court will decide that.
I knew you say I'm confined.
But anyway, let's stand up. We're not go so. As a matter, when you get up, so one Jeep round there, so.
And the news, we say, I know we say I'm come to her.
I'm in a Jeep. Come in, I'm going over there now.
Oi, get up and go round, so. One Jeep out there, so. Look here. Get up and go out there, so.
Boss, let's talk to you.
I hear it, boss.
One.
Let's wait for now. Come on. Hold on. Somebody here to see you. Mommy's here. Oh my God.
Lola, you alright? Yeah. You alright, Mama?
She's alright, man. She's here. Don't worry. She's okay. Oh my God. Ah, so sweet, eh? Oh, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Kiss mommy. Oh, God. Thank you, officer. Thank you so
My
much.
pleasure, man. My pleasure.
Thank you. God bless you.
All right, so you're not going to finish my game, Layla? All right, it's okay. Mommy's here. It's all right. Don't worry. We're glad to see you, Mommy. All right? Oh, God. It's a nice little girl you have here, man. Oh, my God.
Thank you for it.
Boy, I tell you, the nerve of some people, eh?
Officer,
The nerve, eh?
maybe get little sleep tonight.
Yeah, man, and we have the culprits them in custody here, you know? I mean, that girl, boy, I tell her, I'm going to make sure she get more than 3 years. I'm going to make sure she get more than 3 years this time. You understand?
Officer, God bless you.
All right. Here what
Thank
now?
you so much,
No
sir.
problem, man. My pleasure, man. You know, we're hard at work, you know.
We can do to show you back some appreciation because
I just,
we can get a good night's sleep tonight now.
I'm just-
sleep from my daughter gone, you know.
I'm just doing my job. That is all.
Okay.
That give me great pleasure.
All right, come on, Mama.
There's some, well, anyway, I'll let you go home, but I want you to come back because there's some paperwork and stuff that you have to. Okay?
Okay.
But just for this, now I'm not gonna stress you out it. I'm just gonna make it go and come back. All right?
All right, thank you.
Yeah, man. My pleasure, man. Hi, pretty girl.
Tell him bye.
It was nice meeting you. All right?
Give me. I know I'm about to give money for. I'll just stick in a play with it. Money is dirty. Do you hear me? Money is dirty. Come on. Bigger and better. I'm telling you, sir. This is only the big. Watch out!
Come now, hear what you say, Browning. Browning, me not hear what you say.
Alright. Kale's babysitter. That you working. What?
Wait,
You get it, that too?
You get one sheep, you say. What?
Here's the
Reaction perfect. We are open this reaction.
No,
You
come.
open anything
No,
to say.
no, no, I bet I word to that.
You just want the website.
Me
yeah.
think you say cleans or clean, something like that.
No worry, never fix it.
No, come.
We are open that part then. Never
Oh.
name it. Never
Fly right away.
never name it company.
Fuck Kelly. I think it's a Kelly or something.
And I said we have bright futures, babysitter.
Bright, alright.
No, but he's a kid's babysitter.
Listen. Oh, you're not going to listen.
Listen to me. Y'all hear me or not hear me?
No, remember the last time you never hear no.
Listen to me, genius. Why you do something for me?
Oh, you want a new work? Suppose you can build one resume for you again one.
Come again. Yeah, wait, come again.
I'm going to tell my mommy and you.
Let's stop crying.
Yeah, then I'm going to tell my mommy and you.
Go ahead.
Get a close up or share.
Get up and go.
Wanna get up? Listen to me. Get up and go that way.
Hold on. Ready again.
Ready?
I'm gonna get the car man. Ready?
Ready? Yeah. Yo, wanna get up? Get up and go this up.
Yes, final. I don't have anything else to say. You understand me? But make sure next time, if you don't see any water in the pipe, just call me. Let me remind you to turn on the pump. And please, be there next time. Go catch water out the road.
Yeah, man. So it's setting some standing. Before
Yes, me have got me ginger.
Come.
Set him standing. Another thing is standing.
Shall I ask you a couple questions? Zin? I want you answer.
Yes, sir.
Zin? You have to ask him.
You know I'm brown fully girl
You see a big face.
Come deal.
With my television.
You look like a...
Ready?
Alright.
Ready again?
Yeah, man, put back his advice in your advice too. Ready? And action.
Yeah, you can get a close up on you.
So I don't know what you're going to do, but that is something carried to the station. I can follow you to the station.
I'm ready right now.
We are going to station?
At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen. Guess what? You can get to meet some of your favorite actors and actresses at your event. If you never knew, now you know. Pick up the phone and call us today to book your special event.
Alright, so thank you very much for watching the movie to the end. We have a lot to talk about. You know, the storm has gone and passed last month, and we're in 1 month and add now, and we are back in full force in making movies. It's been a hard road getting back to this point because everything was all over the place, you know. Lose the roof, we lose some of the furniture in the house, so we put on back the roof now, and we are trying to get back furniture. Plus, we are trying to help my brother to build back his house, because you don't know, we have to help everybody, so we are helping him to build back his house. It not reach to nowhere yet still, but we finished one room, we have the room, next room, and the bathroom, and then the hall to complete. So it's a, as everybody say, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon, so we know this is going to take a little time. But I want to adjust some things before we go any further. And one is, there is a lot of persons who I have gotten help for and I have helped. But there are a lot more persons that really need help. And as everybody always say and know, we are a proud set of people in Jamaica. We don't want a lazy set of people. We work very hard. But the fact of the matter is, house never built in one day. And for many persons who lose their house, it's impossible for them to build it back without actually getting help. So, don't know if you don't want help. My number will be provided on the screen. You can reach out to me and we will just make sure to help whom we can. You don't necessarily have to send nothing to me if you don't want to, but you can reach out to somebody else and contribute towards helping somebody build them house. Because the thing is, as we say in the video, it's a marathon, not a sprint. So everything is a building process. And for me personally, what I want to do, I want to continue to help persons even after persons still rebuild them house. Because as you don't know, Jamaicans need help, and there's always somebody to help. And this just bring out another side of me in terms of what they call it philanthropist. So I want to help as much persons that I can even after the hurricane. One of the things to want to touch upon is that I want to tell everybody thanks for the persons who dip in them wallet and send for help me put on back my roof, and for the persons that will help in terms of sending money to help others. I want to say thank you personally. You know what I mean? I don't call name, but thank you. Want to say to Saddle Energy, thank you very much. They provide, you see me in the dark, you know, they provide the solar system. Thank you to them. So if there are persons out there that are interested in getting a solar system, please reach out to them. Saddle Energy, and they can assist you in installing a proper solar system for your house. But big up yourself. Thank you guys for watching, and we want to outdo the movie what we do. Last month we get 1 million and 1.6 million views. We want to outdo it. So remember, so watch up the video, share up the video, because you don't know it's the beginning of greatness. Big up on yourself, and thank you very much again, and keep on supporting. Yeah.